Hello everyone, I am Pawan Rana and I'm working as a customer specialist data analytics with Google Cloud. Today, I'll help you realize the importance of data governance and how you can achieve the same on Google Cloud. But before moving on, let me give you a very simple and pertinent data point. By 2025, data governance market size will grow to be $5.7 billion from $2.1 billion in 2020 at a CAGR of 22.3%. Sound surprising? No? Well, to understand the importance of data governance, let's look at some of the factors that were hindering this growth in past and some key drivers which are driving the growth of data governance initiatives today. Here are the top 5 reasons and market drivers. Security breaches. They have been a big problem over the years, and it's understandable that it's a top concern for our customers. This calls for risk management, especially when it is related to financial misstatement, inadvertent release of the sensitive data, and poor data quality for key decisions. Data loss is the second biggest reason. When we talk about data loss, fundamentally, customers are worried about a loss of control, a loss of awareness, a sense that they do not control their own environment. Therefore, they feel a need to centralize metadata so organizations can have a complete end-to-end view of the data. Legal and compliance is the third reason. There are increased regulatory and compliance requirements in the market, like GDPR, like CCPA, like HIPAA, and they are pushing organizations to be more cautious about who, what, and when can access the organization data. Increasing growth and complexity in data, which makes big data governance initiatives very difficult, thereby pushing organizations to seek solutions that help them gain control of their data. Improved decision making is the need of the hour. Businesses has increasingly more need for operational efficiency and improved decision making, as organizations want to make sure the right people get access to the right data and at the right time as well. And for that, they need tools that can give them better control on the entire life cycle of the data journey. Now, let's look at some of the industries and use cases driving this data growth. Key market segments driving this data governance growth include financial services, banking, insurance, telecom, healthcare, retail, governance, and public sector. Let's also look at some of the use cases in different industries that are driving data governance growth. If we have a quick eye on the finance industry, for example, some of the more important use cases driving the data governance growth are risk management and reporting, regulatory compliance, addressing mergers and acquisitions, and improving real-time decision making. Similarly, in the healthcare industry, regulations and compliance for HIPAA or PHI, etc., is the most important use case. But along with this, saving cost, providing quality service to the customers, and cutting edge research on tons of documents like patient records, blood test results, EKGs, MRIs, billing records, drugs prescriptions, etc. All of these documents provide medical information which is very important for organizations. Likewise, in the telecom industry, there have been many use cases like customer attrition, cross sell and upsell, regulatory compliance, and driving operational efficiency, mandating the needs of strong data governance policies. But before we move forward, let's understand what does data governance constitutes. At its most basic level, data governance is the practice of enhancing an organization's data such as it is discoverable, understood, protected, as well as trusted. Data discoverability contains things like data classification, data lineage, data catalog, and data quality. Understanding data requires data management capabilities, Things like data lifecycle management, master and reference data management. Data protection requires capabilities like masking, encryption, access management, auditing, data residency, as well as data recoverability. Trusting data requires data accountability practices like proper ownership, policies, domain based governance practices. Now that we understand data governance capabilities, let's also understand where exactly data governance techniques are applied in the journey of the data. Well, data has a journey, and data governance cuts across all steps of the journey. If you look at the journey of the data in an enterprise with data producers at one side and data consumers at the other side, it starts with a collection of data, whether it's from your customers like individuals or businesses, colleagues, applications, your applications or third party applications. Then it gets stored and processed multiple times, ultimately driving some analysis, some insights, some activation, some AI powered decisions, or customers or colleague experiences for a variety of use cases by human or machine customers. Data governance to us is a group of capabilities that cut through all these steps of the data journey. Now that we understand data governance and its role in the journey of the data, let's look at how we implement data governance and all the use cases using it at Google Cloud. There are multiple stakeholders, invested and involved in a successful data governance implementation. Meet the privacy czar, who is responsible for defining customers' processes to manage sensitive data. Data owner, who owns pipelines generating or importing new data. Data analyst, who analyze data to drive business decisions. Auditor, who makes sure customer organizations complies with their policies. Data steward, who is responsible for ensuring the quality and fitness for purpose of the organization's data asset. Each of these personas are involved in various stages of data journey. And at Google Cloud, we have tools and technologies that fits at different stages of data lifecycle to help each and every one of these personas. There are many tools to choose from to build data solutions on GCP, from ingestion and processing to storage, all the way to analytics, serving, and BI. In addition, we have cross-cutting security and governance products for customer data management systems using both Google products as well as partner products. And then there are tools and capabilities for each of the data governance personas to fulfill the responsibilities and expectations from them. Here is an example where PII information of the user is detected and masked in real time using our data loss prevention API in Google Cloud. Let's discuss some of the case studies. Umbra Health is a major academic medical center who sought to find a secure method to view medical imaging data and collaborate with fellow researchers during the development of ML tools to improve patient care. To use MR, CT, or PET scans, their researchers must remove PHI medical imaging data, such as patient name or date of birth in the DICOM tags. Using Google Cloud, they were able to de-identify medical imaging data at scale. They were also able to annotate, share, and download anonymized imaging data very, very easily. And finally, they were able to reduce time spent onboarding new cloud deployments from months to minutes. Likewise, PayPal. PayPal is enabling new markets with a purpose of helping people everywhere join the global economy with financial services that are simple, convenient, and secure. By leveraging the power of Google Cloud, They are serving more than 300 million customers and developing online, mobile, and in-store services across 200 plus markets and 100 plus currencies. And for that, they use Google Cloud DLP to secure sensitive data. Data security, data protection, data accessibility and usability, data quality, and other aspects of data governance will continue to emerge and grow as critical priorities for organizations. And as more organizations migrate their data assets to the cloud, the need for auditable practices for ensuring data utility will also continue to grow. So, if I have to summarize three key focus areas for organizations in order to implement a successful data governance, it will be a framework that enables people to define, agree to, and enforce data policies, effective processes for control, oversight, and stewardship over all data assets across both on-prem systems, cloud storage, and data warehouse platforms. The right tools and technologies for operationalizing data policy compliance. And that is where Google Cloud comes in. With this, thanks a lot for your time today. Keep watching this space, and we are looking forward to solve your data governance problems on Google Cloud. Thank you so much.